Most people want to be a modern millionaire, but most people are really chasing the wrong things. They think it's about a flashy car or a big house. The real secret is what's not on display. The true counter narrative to the social media illusion of being financially behind is found in the principles of the millionaire next door. It's the boring, consistent discipline that beats the flashy chaos every time. Think of it as consistently adding to your savings or paying an extra principal payment on your mortgage, rather than hoping for a lottery win. Kaizen philosophy is the blueprint for this. It's about a simple, repeatable plan that a lazy landlord would be proud of. It's not about getting rich quick, it's about getting rich for sure. Shout out to my man Dion McNeely. If you're ready to get rich for sure, start with the most important step, getting your free Kaizen Kickstart checklist. The link's in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Boom.